Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this tasty recipe for bread buns, ideal for making burgers with. They can also serve as an afternoon snack alongside some coffee or tea. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off with pouring all of the ingredients in a mixing bowl and mixing everything together. Afterwards, keep adding flour and water until the dough is well combined and soft, but not sticky. Let it then rest for about 45 minutes in a warm spot. When the dough has risen, flour your surface, and divide the dough into a few even-sized balls as shown. Press them flat, and put them to the side to rest for around 10 minutes once again. For some variation, you can also shape the dough into rectangular shapes and form them into mini baguettes. Optionally, you can fill those with some Nutella, or other fillings as well if you'd like to. Now it's time to mix up some milk with an egg yolk, and to brush the top of each of the bread buns and baguettes with it. Then sprinkle some sesame seeds on top, and put them in the oven to bake until golden brown. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.